Hands-on travel experiences are getting more and more popular for good reason. And if you're fascinated by birds of prey, then we found the ultimate adventure for you. Total Raptor Experience here in Ramona is just that, the total experience, getting up close and personal with these magnificent birds, and so much more.
I thought it was really fun to have a real live animal on my arm because I've never had a prior experience like that before. It was really a good experience to be able to be that in touch with nature.
The basic falconry experience is just learning a little bit about the bird, about the history of falconry, and then flying an interactive flight with the bird. So 4,000 years ago, somebody in the Far East saw a bird of prey catch food, and they went, hey, I wonder if I could get that bird to help me catch food. They didn't have supermarkets.
I liked it, like seeing it fly from your hand onto a tree and then back to someone else's hand.
The first time or two it comes at you and you have your arm out there with the food, it's a very cool experience.
It was really cool to see how they landed on you and their approach even, and how they flew like through the air.
You know, when you think Raptor Experience, you're just visualizing a big bird landing on your arm, but this was obviously much more than that.
This is moonshine, and moonshine is a barn owl. That collects sound so that they can triangulate what they're looking for. Is the sound to the right? Is it to the left? Is it up high? Is it down low? And that's how they can find stuff.
My daughter Drew is in the 4th grade right now, and what they're learning right now is all about owls and raptors. And so when a friend told me about this experience, I thought it would be the perfect time to bring her up and be able to see the owls firsthand.
Now, another thing that's kind of interesting about the owls, 70% of what you see is feather. So when you look at a skull of a bird like this, look at how tiny that's compared to his face. Well, I'm not a rescue, but I do take animals as long as I can take care of them. So all the stuff that I have is just animals and stuff that just gives me a lot of joy. I have the pigs and tortoises and a turkey whose name is Bobby Boucher, and he's totally cute, and he gobbles when you gobble. An alpaca, sheep, and emu, and a variety of other little things. If you want to take that little tour, then I let you feed some of the animals and you can pet some of the animals. She has a little bit of an issue with sharing. Do we have a problem sharing? Yes, we do. Isn't she funny? I know, Nellie, Nellie, Nellie.
Oh, I love the alpaca. She was so soft. And Nellie was my favorite, definitely Nellie.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And then we were able to feed strawberries to the tortoises and to the pot-bellied pigs, which was a whole nother adventure as well. So just a lot of different little experiences along the way that made it really fun.
Understanding conservation and preservation, and that we all kind of coexist in this world together.
Does the bird mean more to you than he did half an hour ago? If we explain to people some of the issues that they're having, more people might take it more seriously.
As Terry said, is so important because being able to touch and have that animal right on your arm is a lot more touching and meaningful than just being able to see the animal, and provides you with experience about why this would be vital for their protection.
Oh, Terry is awesome. She's quite the character. When you see her interact with the animals, you really understand how much she cares for and loves these animals. It comes across.
I think this is just one of those hidden gems that's a great experience, not only for adults, children, just in a good way for a family to get out and enjoy what San Diego has to offer.
You know, just walking around and seeing the animals and interacting with the animals, put your phone away and just enjoy life a little bit. It feels good and it makes me laugh, and anything that can make you laugh is a keeper.
Wow, Total Raptor Experience is an unforgettable family activity, or the perfect gift for the bird lover in your life. Right, Leah?